I'm just going to see Scotsman Kevin, sort of. Those that don't know, Scotsman Kevin is the one that inspired me to be a YouTuber, and I can't thank him enough. So I'm quite a shy person, and I know Kevin's a wee bit shy about going on and doing videos. At first, I didn't show his face, but I don't know, someone talked him into doing it, and his doing that and being brave enough to do that has inspired me to become a YouTuber. So I'm in Los Cristianos, and I've asked Kevin, so I didn't want to step on his toes, if I could do this video where I'm going to meet Scotsman Kevin, sort of. So I'm going to show you. Now, thank you very much, Kevin, for your permission if you're watching this, and here it is. Now, I'm not meeting him in the flesh, but this is one of the nicest, most beautiful murals I think I've ever seen. And if you look over here, it's quite bright here, so I can't see my screen too well, but here's the man himself. There it is, Scotsman Kevin. Well, I hope to meet you one day, Kevin. We came close a couple of times when you went to Geneva. We were there a few weeks before it, and here I'm in Tenerife, and you were here a few weeks before. I think it's like a week or two before. So you're an inspiration to me, pal. Thank you very much and for letting me do this video. Initially I thought, oh, that would be a good clickbait thing. So I did ask Kevin, but saying I'm going to meet Scotsman Kevin, it's a bit dishonest. So I decided to say I'd the sort of. So hope you don't mind, viewers, that I've done that. But I need to do something to get my channel growing, and I thought, I'm in Tenerife, that's a good idea. And yeah, so thanks again, Kevin. I hope you're having a good time wherever you are. At the time of filming, I believe you're still in Boston. I wanted to go to Boston when I went to America, but it was kind of too much. We were in Vegas, San Francisco and New York, and I thought when we were in New York I could maybe go for a wee bit, but it takes a day after the holiday. So I'm jealous of you getting there, but I have a great time, pal. Okay, and thanks again for letting me do this. So now, anybody else that's watching, I'm doing a whole series of Tenerife videos, but Tenerife, I'm not your man. I'm gonna be honest. Scotsman Kevin, he's the more knowledgeable of the two of us. I just film things as I see them. Well, I have been here before, so I did know quite a bit, but I don't think there's many people with more knowledge of Tenerife, especially Los Cristianos, than Kevin. So check out his channel, folks, if you haven't already. Really nice guy, and give him a subscribe and a few likes and comments. Thank you very much, folks, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, Kevin. Bye bye, and thanks again.